If you want to transform your life and help others do the same, the Daily Discipline PLR is the ultimate game changer. This comprehensive package is not just a product, it's a powerful toolkit designed to help you and your clients build lasting habits that lead to monumental change. Imagine waking up daily with the confidence that your small, consistent actions are paving the way for extraordinary results. Now, when you purchase the Daily Discipline PLR through our link, you will receive exclusive access to our bonus bundle. And that includes the Daily Discipline Tracking Workbook. And this workbook is designed to help you implement the powerful techniques from the Daily Discipline program into your daily life. The Micro Habits Mastery Guide, a comprehensive guide that dives deeper into the concept of micro habits, providing readers with actionable steps to identify and implement these small changes in their daily lives. And the Marketing Strategies Toolkit for Coaches. Now, this comprehensive resource complements any coaching program, provides practical strategies, templates, and tools to market and sell your self-help products successfully. You also receive HIT Basics, getting started with high-intensity training, a 10-chapter ebook with over 6,700 words. And finally, a beginner's guide to self-discipline. Self-discipline plays an important role in all aspects of our lives. And when you review the many attributes of successful people, you'll find that the self-discipline is key to helping them succeed. Now, this ebook, which is 32 pages in length and over 6,200 words, is an informative and educational guide to strengthen self-discipline practices. Now, the vendors and creators of this product are Sean and Kelly, and they are reputable figures in the self-help niche, known for their dedication to providing high-quality content that resonates with audiences. Their expertise in habit formation and personal development shines through in this product, making them trustworthy sources for anyone looking to make a significant impact in the self-help industry. Now, I have purchased many of you Sean and Kelly Lee's programs, and I've always found them to be excellent. So why should you buy Daily Discipline? Well, the Daily Discipline PLR is your ticket to owning a high-quality, done-for-you product that you can rebrand and sell for 100% profit. With the self-help industry booming at a staggering $20 billion annually, this is the perfect opportunity to tap into a lucrative market while providing life-changing transformation to your clients. You will not only be seen as an authority in your niche, but also build a loyal buyers list effortlessly. And don't miss out on this chance to create a thriving business with minimal effort. Now, what's included? The latest and the most up-to-date information on how to master the art of daily discipline. 10 powerful chapters with over 10,000 words written by proficient writers. Full PLR rights given along with editable doc and PDF format, so you can freely edit the book however you wish to customize the content to your personal taste. And stunning chapter graphics that will keep your readers spellbound. And fantastic information that you might even like yourself. Now, the positives, facts on this program: comprehensive content. The Daily Discipline PLR includes everything you need to get started, from high quality content to promotional materials. It's easy to use with a fully integrated sales funnel. You can push a button and start selling right away. And you can build authority by rebranding this product. You position yourself as an expert in the self-help niche. And it's life-changing information. The techniques provided can genuinely transform lives, making your clients grateful for your guidance. And it is in high demand. The self-help niche is ever growing and ensuring that your product will find a receptive audience. Now, there are a couple of negatives, but not real negatives. The initial learning curve. While the product is easy to use, some may find the initial setup a bit overwhelming. However, this is a small price to pay for the immense value that you will receive. And it requires some marketing efforts. Like any product, success depends on your marketing efforts. But with the right strategies, this can lead to significant profits. In conclusion, the Daily Discipline PLR is a must-have for anyone serious about making a difference in the self-help industry. With its high-quality content and proven techniques, you will be well on your way to building a successful business while helping others transform their lives. So don't wait, take action now and buy it. Choose the link below and receive our bonus bundle. And speaking of our bonus bundle, when you purchase Daily Discipline PLR through our link, you'll receive exclusive access to our bonus bundle. Daily Discipline Tracking Workbook, a Micro Habits Mastery Guide, a Marketing Strategies Toolkit for Coaches, HIT Basics, and Beginner's Guide to Self-Discipline. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.